how to select a text in a Goodnotes on your iPad. Let me show you how it would work. If it's your first time in here, most definitely subscribe for more tutorials and videos like this one. So whenever you get inside the Goodnotes app, you at first have to be ready and be signed in and everything. So you just go through it. But once you are inside, you can get into your actual notes. There is likely going to be both the handwritten text as well as typed text, because Goodnotes is made for handwritten notes. But if you want to select the text, most commonly people use the lasso tool to select any part of the note, any part of the paper, to move it around. So you want to have this option of the lasso tool selected. So it's this button right there, and you can see it can be either in the rectangular or freehand. I prefer the freehand, and you can see which options or which elements can be selected. So you can see that it can include handwriting as well as text boxes, and basically for me it's all of the things which I need. So I can either grab in a circle the existing handwritten text, or I can also just select the stuff the actual text which I wrote using the text boxes using the keyboard. So that is how you can select the text if you mean that. However, if you have handwritten text, you can as well just click on it as such, go to the edit mode and then double tap on the little word, and you can basically select all of the text as such, right? So there would be another option. And one more thing which you should know about is that whenever you capture a screenshot, you can tap on the preview, and every recognizable text can as well be selected from that. So if you have trouble selecting the text, you can as well do it this way. So I really hope that I could cover all of the possible scenarios with the Goodnotes. If there is something which I did not mention, then let me know about that below. It's possible and likely I'll make an updated video about it in the future. For now, that's it, and I hope to see you later.